never realized you can walk out here. Just saw a couple of people walk out here. This is fucking cool. Watch where I am. Very cool. There's a Zachem. That goes into Knott Station. I'll take a couple of pictures of that on the way back. You can look right into the station. What a spot. Watch this. I'm about to keep the recording on, right? That purple building way in the back. I don't think I've ever seen a video. We used to actually work there. Commuter rail is called BET. Boston Engineering Terminal, I believe. See how much I can see into the railroad bridge here. This is the one they're taking down. Kind of a shame. I think it got a real cool look. They got this real futuristic plan for it. I like this old school look. So cool. Actually, I was wait here for a train to come through. I don't know how long I'll wait, but if I can get a train here, that'd be cool, huh? And as you can see, obviously the Museum of Science off in the distance there. Comes a duck boat. That's a cool little park over there. I forget the name of it. North Park or something? Very cool. I'll try to get some regular pictures.